A costly win for Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. A judge gave Willis an ultimatum on Friday. Either she's disqualified from Georgia's election interference case against former President Donald Trump, or a special prosecutor, Nathan Wade, steps aside. Well, on Friday, Wade resigned. The judge ruled lawyers for Trump and his co-defendants failed to prove a conflict of interest where Willis improperly benefited from her year-long romantic relationship with Wade. Nicole Killian is in Atlanta with the latest.
Fulton County Judge Scott McAfee gave District Attorney Fani Willis an ultimatum Friday: step aside from the 2020 election subversion case involving former President Trump, or have her former romantic partner, Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, withdraw. Within hours, Wade tendered his resignation, effective immediately, to move this case forward. The district attorney praised Wade as an outstanding advocate. The former president called him a disgrace.
He had to. There was no way that it was going to be the elected district attorney of Fulton County, Fani Willis, who was going to step down. After this decision came out,
the judge's ruling found Trump and the co-defendants that filed the complaint against Willis and Wade failed to prove a conflict of interest. There was no evidence, according to McAfee, that Willis financially benefited from her roughly year-long relationship with Wade, which included trips to the Caribbean and California. But the ruling did note a significant appearance of impropriety. McAfee was sharply critical of Willis's behavior, citing a lapse in judgment and calling her conduct during a hearing last month unprofessional.
Don't be cute with me and then think that you're not going to get an answer.
McAfee also said Willis and Wade's testimony didn't put concerns about their relationship to rest.
It wasn't kept secret, it was kept private.
And he invoked Southern playwright Tennessee Williams by writing, "An odor of mendacity remains."
From time to time, you see judges wax a bit poetic in their opinions. He could have just said, I think there was a lot of lying going on here, but instead he described it in more colorful terms.
The ruling comes after McAfee struck down 6 charges this week in the election interference case, including 3 involving the former president. Scott Grubman represented Kenneth Chesborough, who worked to overturn Georgia's election results and pleaded guilty last year.
It means the case goes from almost impossible going to trial before November to actually impossible to go to trial before November.
Trump still faces 10 charges in the 2020 case, including racketeering. His attorney says he plans to use all legal options to fight the case. For CBS Saturday Morning, Nicole Killian, Atlanta.